This is the second part of the functions of the mass media. There are many other activities or functions of the media. Mass media performs the role of a guardian in a democratic society. The basic idea is to be vigilant of the various threats on the common people and build a voice against such threats. Here, special attention is given to the activities of the state. In the social process, if the rulers act in an undemocratic manner, the mass media, with faith of the masses, should act in order to prevent social harm to the society. In spite of that, it often happens that the mass media represents the ideology of the ruling classes. Number two, being helpful to identify contemporary social consciousness. Mass media helps to provide a new lifestyle, develop new habits, and to obtain new products and to enhance a new encouragement to live and to understand forms of empathy. At the same time, mass media also build a tendency to adopt an innovation modern lives. Mass media expands the appreciative levels of the receivers. Number four, mass media functions as an information center for the dissemination of information on it. Next topic, classification of mass media. Mass media can be classified in a variety of ways, that is, print media and electronic media. Printed media is classified as newspapers, books, magazines, and electronic media can be classified as radio and television. With the arrival of digital technology, mass media is further classified. Topic, newspapers. Newspapers are originated as the first organized mass media. Through the core of the newspaper consists of the news. The newspaper has news and features. According to the Sumangala dictionary, newspaper is the publicity paper for news. Publicity paper for news. Newspapers belong to classification of mass media. Newspapers are originated as the first organized mass media. Though the core of the newspaper consists of news, the newspaper has news and features. According to Sumangala dictionary, newspaper is the publicity paper for the news. Newspaper is the publicity paper for the news. Apart from the above, it is also useful to look at some of the other definitions of the newspaper. A daily or a weekly publication containing news that contain common concerns of the majority of the people in a particular geographic region is identified as a newspaper. The UNESCO definition of a newspaper goes as a day-to-day format that provides necessary information during a specified time and a publication not bound together, publishing information necessary for daily life. The Oxford Dictionary defines the term newspaper in the following manner: which one carries news that interest the public, advertisements, literature related matters, and other items published daily or weekly in printed form is identified as a newspaper. The newspaper is a print publication. It's a collection of papers not bound together. It can be published daily or weekly. It contains news, photos, features, and advertisements. It also is identified by a special name, said by Brown L.